Good morning, students. Again, we are with you with class 8, third chapter, that is synthetic fiber and plastic. Today, we have to continue with the synthetic fiber and plastic. Synthetic fiber. So, in this chapter, first topic is synthetic fiber. In class 7 already you have learned about the fiber. Two kinds of fiber are there: animal fiber, plant fiber. In animal fiber we are having the wool and silk. In plant fiber we used to get the cotton, jute and coir. But after that, in second category, synthetic fiber, these fibers are prepared in the factory. These fibers are prepared in the factory because why? Now the question arises that why used to prepare the synthetic fiber in the factory? We used to prepare synthetic fiber in the factory because the natural fibers that are present, that cannot fulfill all the demand of the huge rising population. So in order to fulfill the demand of the population, fabric demand, we have to make alternate way of making the fabric, that is known as synthetic fiber. In synthetic fiber, what are the properties of the synthetic fiber? First we have to learn about the properties of synthetic fiber. What are the properties of synthetic fiber? First property, that is durable. First property, that is durable. Their durability is more. If cotton clothes or any animal fiber you are taking, their durability is 2 months, 4 months, maximum 6 months. But the durability of the synthetic fiber, it used to long lasting, 5 years, 6 years, continuously you can wear the synthetic cloth. Second, moth resistance. Moth resistance. They cannot be many moths like a rat and other, they can't able to destroy the synthetic fiber. So they resist the moth to attack on the synthetic cloth. Third one, no ironing. Synthetic fiber need no ironing. Cotton fiber, every day you have to iron. Synthetic fiber, it does not need everyday ironing. Everyday ironing. Only you have to wash the synthetic cloth, turn it, it will be over, no need of ironing. Cheaper. Synthetic fibers are cheaper as compared to the natural fibers. Natural fibers, if you are going in the market and trying to buy the natural fiber clothes, they are costlier as compared to the synthetic fiber. You are wearing a t-shirt, ordinary t-shirt, that is natural fiber t-shirt, it will take 500 suppose. Then if you are buying the synthetic fiber, 100 only you can buy. So they are very cheaper. But these are the advantages, we can say properties, or you can say advantages. But there are certain disadvantages too. So here we will learn about disadvantages of synthetic fiber. What are the disadvantages of synthetic fiber? First, do not absorb sweat. Do not absorb sweat. They cannot absorb the sweat. See, we used to say that just now summer season is going on. We used to say that during the summer season we must wear the cotton clothes. Why it is advisable to wear the cotton clothes during the summer season? The answer is that during the summer season, if you are wearing a cotton cloth, that cotton cloth used to absorb the sweat. That cotton cloth used to absorb the sweat, and that absorbed sweat will be evaporated outside and you will feel cool. That's why it is very comfortable to wear the cotton clothes. But what about the synthetic clothes? We are not supposed to wear the synthetic clothes in the summer season because they stick to the skin. They cannot absorb, and due to that they create skin disorders, or you can say skin disease. Okay, now after that what happens? They create skin disorders or skin disease. It catches fire easily. It catches fire very easily. Synthetic clothes can catch the fire very easily. So it is said that you are not supposed to wear the synthetic cloth in the kitchen during Diwali or near any firework, because natural fibers, cotton clothes, other clothes used to catch the fire very slowly. It will provide you the time to protect yourself. But if synthetic cloth, they will catch the fire very fastly. They will not provide you the time to protect yourself. So it is said that don't wear the synthetic fiber if you are working or you are present near the fire. So this is all about the advantages and disadvantages of synthetic fiber. These are the advantages, these are the disadvantages. Now, which we have to learn about the advantages and disadvantages. We have to learn about the synthetic fiber. That categories are there. There are different categories of which we have to learn about the synthetic fiber or others. Let's see. See, which synthetic fibers you have to learn. That is first synthetic fiber that you have to learn, that is rayon. Second synthetic fiber that you have to read, that is nylon. Third synthetic fiber that is known as acrylic. Rayon, nylon, acrylic. Next synthetic fiber that you have to learn, that is polyester. And after that we will learn about the plastic. So what is the difference between rayon, nylon, acrylic, polyester? Properties are almost same. Properties are almost same. All are having the same disadvantages. All are having the same advantages. This about the separately rayon, nylon, acrylic and polyester separately in the detail we will learn in our next video. For that we are providing you the assignment work. The assignment work, first copy the assignment work. Right. Two advantages and disadvantages of synthetic clothes. We have to discuss about what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages of synthetic clothes. Second, why it is recommended to wear cotton clothes in summer season. First, what are the advantages and disadvantages? You know about the advantages and disadvantages. And second is, why it is said that we must wear the cotton clothes during the summer season. It is said that we must wear the cotton clothes in the summer season because cotton clothes used to absorb the sweat. When sweat used to occur, then cotton clothes will absorb the sweat, and that sweat absorbed by your clothes will be evaporated. And surely you know that evaporation produces cooling effect, and this evaporation produces us the cooling effect and we feel cool. That's why in this summer season you must wear the cotton clothes. Be at home. Thank you.